re tlile go makala batho ba batletse mo ga ba rena gore na ba tso ba le kae gona ke eng ba e tla mo la e bona number plate gore a se mo ba re ba goditse ba gala di ba le ba gekola ba gore na ba tso ba le kae mepete ditool dipakete ba lokile go loka mo ba tswang gona na ba tlo re botse rena le kae go makala wa ba nna le jone le kae
Let's bring it down there, guys.
Why le tlo hlala mo le sabana enel sprite le sebentela la why le sa hlala gona kwa town le direction kwa town auwa bana abe mo a re sa nyaka ba khala e ka sa re se bua go so hlala la a re bere jwalo Musie ke metšhina ya business le tletse le business gape banna mo le re bana ba ga ba rena ba tlo phela ka efe business aowa ba galajo re ka sa tle ra e dumela eo re ka sa tle ra e dumela that one no we're not gonna allow that lena le tlo hlala mo.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. So guys, I don't understand Isipedi very well. It's better if it's Sotho or Tswana, but here I can understand. These are foreign nationals who are coming from Nelspruit. Maybe they were chased away from Nelspruit, then they decided to move to Limpopo. So people of this village in Limpopo are saying no, not in our village, not in our area. As you can see, these trucks are not even from South Africa. They are lying. They are coming from Nelspruit. They are coming straight from their countries, Mozambique and Zimbabwe, coming to build shacks in that area. They're just grabbing the land anywhere they want, build shacks there, and continue to stay in South Africa, despite ama warnings. Abatshelwa wona ukuthi asisanifuni, despite ama messages abawatholayo from ama South Africans ukuthi we don't need illegal immigrants anymore in this country. Baza nama furniture as if kunempi la beqhamuka khona, ama fridge, imibhede, everything, even ama tools, the tools of their businesses ukuthi vele bazosebenza eSouth Africa. Just imagine. And we have, after this one, you will see Nigerians who were chased away from Mauritius. And as you know, our country is a lawless country. These Nigerians were trying to enter in Mauritius. Then they were denied. Why? Because they are Nigerians. Then let's be ready, because they are coming here. Every country a denier or a deporter ama illegal foreigners, we know ukuthi ichithela la eSouth Africa. Bonke udoti abawushanela ema-countryini abo, amanye ama-countries vele usukuzolahlelwa la eSouth Africa. So be ready for those Nigerians who were denied to enter in Mauritius, just like these ones. If when kweyakho i-community, you are still folding your hands, they are coming to your area. Even these ones, they are coming to your area to commit crime, to destroy, to take away all the opportunities from your youth in your area.
Mashata ba le tsebe le swere passport ka mo. You got passport, all of you? All of you got passport? But why are you running from Nelspruit to here? Yeah?
Mina ngihlale ngedwa baba 3 years.
Indoda yakho ihlala la? Kuphi? Lapha endlini?
No, le indzawo Bukilweni sitholelwa nemngane wakhe lapha.
Awa. Cruiser range so? Kanti le chaba nga botse ko country ya lena bana.
Leadership. I saw ba teng gale mogala yo o re no ba krele mo ba hae ka ba rona ba tlambo ya na ba ke tshele tsa ba polo kwa ntse go latsa go latsa wa e kushisa ga lua lo ra if e itse ba teile ana pana ba tsia ba go mele morago
mo nna ga re na la okay a re ga sa dira idumela ntso re ba eta pele ba independent forum a re idumela ntso bona bana a dudi lebellang re bolla ka batho ba beng gore ke 14 bona go nwa ba lokile mo ba tswago ba boela gae ba sa tla ka mo pota suku ka mo wa 20 maspaleng wa feta go motubatsa traka shidila re bona ba tshule ka makatana mana ke ba fala direla ka bona lebellang shi number plate la re bona tshule ka makatana mana ba banga ba sa ba fologa ba ka mogare ka mugo go jwang ka mo.
You see the number plate, it's not a South African number plate. These people, they are coming straight from Mozambique, from Zimbabwe, with all these things, with their properties to come and stay in South Africa. They are lying what they are coming from Nelspruit. And they just sold that land. They came to build on that land. Imagine if Independent Forum was not there.
Go jwang ka mo. Le na le follow le dirle VIP ka mo. Le dira di VIP. Al follow le ka mo ntirbo le batho mo. Le duju ka mo gare. La kana go dirtle go bapala mo. Le tloga jeng mo le dirileng mo le tswa go bana. So awa mo le tlile go maganga ra gona mmereko. Ambandla famba o rilo e tswa ba spela ba faladi shibare ya bantse ka motseng wa Potasuku re tenne re enough is enough ba re tlela le magadima le dikorobela le difulane le ditšhefe le ditokoloji re bo tloga re tenne ba re ba tswa ba Nelspruit ba tla ai gona o re ganele mo yes sis re tenne ka lena re swere ditikolosi mo dikoloing tša lena mo re tlotla monageng ga re bonang le traka ntse re ka mohuta mang a sia mo batho ba ma ba ntshontshontshontsho le ka moganong.
This guy is complaining about the number plate. These people are lying. These trucks are not coming from Nelspruit. These are not South African number plates. They are coming straight from their countries with amatigoloshi, with all poison, with izifo. Imagine we have Ebola. Ebola started again in Congo. There's a new wave of Ebola. The last time I checked, I heard 8 people are already unalived by Ebola in Congo. So because our borders are wide open, Ebola is coming to finish us in South Africa, I'm telling you.
Midundu ya bona mo le mepete le dinoga ka mogadutse. E ba fihla mabule di kereke ba bule dintumba ba re ke bona dingaka. Aba sepele ba makwana re nya ka bona. Ana tla go bapala mo re le ba etapele ba ka mo wa 20 ba Independent Forum. Re fuck off, enough is enough. Right? Itraki ya phuma. Le mepete ya kunuka ya phuma hambani la. SS. Tenne ai reale escort a re ba khala jwa escorteng go fihla mafellong re bona bana ba tsuskontiri ba dilo ka mogara ga motso wa Potasuku na ge ya rena re tlo protect ka matsoga mabeji ba khalajwa.
I go be South Africa, guys. These people are very stubborn. Even after all the warnings, baseza amabhasa yabanjwa each and every day engena abanendaba thina we are telling these ones to leave our country. People are still coming. They don't care, but they are saying we are xenophobic, we are unaliving them, but they are still coming. Let's continue, guys. Nigerians were denied entry in Mauritius. According to them, they had all the required documents to enter Mauritius. But because they are Nigerians, they were denied entry. All over the world is the same thing. No one wants Nigerians in their country. But we see Nigerian government officials making a lot of noise if South Africans are telling Nigerians to go back to their country. But these things are happening all over the world. Nigerians are not needed anywhere in the world because they tarnished the name of their own country with the illegal activities they do in other countries. But even after all the things that are happening to Nigerians in the whole world, only South Africa will be blamed for telling Nigerians to go. Nigerians are using South African passport to go and commit crime in other countries to tarnish the name of South Africa there. But we are not allowed to complain about all those things. But because South Africa doesn't have a government who will stand on the side of the citizens when they are presenting legitimate complaints, that is why we are being insulted all over the world. The most sweet, loving, kind people of South Africa, they are being called names all over the world because of our government who doesn't like to stand on the side of the truth, at least to defend the citizens, to tell the truth about the citizens. Unfortunately, we don't have that. We have a government who prioritizes other people, not the citizens. But we are told that we are free from the apartheid. Is this freedom? Apartheid was even better than this torture. Guys, let's watch this.
See, I'm the only one smiling here. See Nigeria. See Nigeria. See Nigeria. They decline our visa after we arrive. Mauritius. Everybody they pursue Nigeria for a country. I only came for vacation to relax. But this is how it goes. They reject us, so they carry us, go back.
These Nigerians are claiming they went to Mauritius to relax. The same thing they are doing in other countries. Go there to visit, but they will end up being there forever. I applaud Mauritius for not allowing them to enter because that is their strategy. They come as visitors. After that, they refuse to go back. They start doing all these illegal activities in the country, even insulting the citizens.
There's this one wherever I don't book my hotel, 5-star hotel, tour reserve center, 3 places. I have my yellow card. I have everything. Even the cash, the requested cash of $1.5, I have it. I don't like anything, but just because you are Nigerian, just because you are Nigerians, just because you are Nigerian, they rejected us.
At least these ones, they are telling the truth. They say they know it's because they are Nigerians. Not those ones who will say, we don't know the reason why, knowing very well that it's because you are Nigerians. And if these ones are genuine visitors, they must go and blame those ones who are busy tarnishing their name, the name of their country all over the world.
Just because you are Nigerians, just because you are Nigerians, they rejected us. They are Nigerian, you are finished.
So this is what will soon happen to us South Africans if we want to travel to other countries, because Nigerians and other Africans are busy tarnishing the name of our passports all over the world. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.